Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Silicone Utensil Rest. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the Zuli Silicone Utensil Rest with Drip Pad. This versatile utensil holder is perfect for spoons, ladles, tongs, and more, keeping your stovetop and countertops mess-free while you cook. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it can handle high temperatures without warping or melting. The drip pad catches any excess liquid, making cleanup a breeze. Lightweight, durable, and easy to store, this utensil rest adds convenience and style to your cooking routine. Upgrade your kitchen today with the Zuli Silicone Utensil Rest, the perfect helper for every home chef. Silicone Oven Mitt Set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes two generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide x 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean. Silicone Baking Sheet Pan Dividers. Reimagine the way you cook with the silicone baking sheet pan dividers, the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. These non-stick, reusable bakeware trays let you cook multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors. Perfect for meal prep, air fryer, or oven cooking, each divider features sturdy, heat-proof handles for easy lifting and safe handling. Made from premium food-grade silicone, they're durable, flexible, and a breeze to clean. No more scrubbing stuck-on messes. Whether you're roasting veggies, baking chicken, or reheating leftovers, these pan dividers make cooking smarter, faster, and cleaner. Simplify mealtime with this must-have reusable baking set. Sourdough Starter Warmer. Smart Timer Precision Temperature Control. Designed specifically for sourdough fermentation, this warmer features a built-in 12-hour smart timer for automatic on-off operation, preventing over-fermentation. It maintains stable yeast and lactic acid bacteria activity, ensuring evenly distributed air pockets in your bread. Even heating for faster dough proofing. Equipped with an aerospace-grade aluminum heating layer, it transfers heat efficiently to the base of dough containers, achieving faster fermentation than room temperature conditions. Edge-to-edge temperature consistency works flawlessly with glass jars, ceramic jars, and other proofing vessels, ensuring uniform fermentation across diverse container types. Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins. 1 0-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable Drain Tray Design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Luo Coco Cute Egg Separator. Make baking and cooking easier with the Luo Coco Cute Egg Separator. This fun ceramic chicken-shaped gadget separates egg yolks from whites quickly and cleanly, keeping your hands mess-free. Compact, practical, and dishwasher-safe, it's perfect for home bakers and kitchen enthusiasts. Add a touch of fun to your cooking with this adorable and efficient egg-splitting tool, a must-have kitchen assistant. Silicone Air Fryer Basket Liners Pot. Make air frying cleaner and easier with the collapsible silicone air fryer basket liners pot. Featured on the Today Show. These reusable silicone bowls fit perfectly in 3 to 5 quart air fryers, giving you a mess-free cooking experience every time. No more scrubbing sticky residue, just cook, lift, and rinse. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, they're safe, durable, and eco-friendly. The collapsible design saves space, while the red and blue 2-pack adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Perfect for fries, chicken, or desserts. These must-have air fryer accessories make cleanup quick and cooking fun. Jar opener. Tired of struggling with tight jar lids and stubborn bottle caps? Meet the OttStar Jar Opener, your ultimate 3-in-1 kitchen helper. Designed especially for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone with weak hands, this smart tool makes opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless. The ergonomic handle provides a strong, non-slip grip, while the durable stainless steel teeth grip the lid firmly. No more pain or frustration. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store and perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. Whether you're opening a sauce jar, water bottle, or pull-tab can, the OttStar Jar Opener gets the job done quickly and safely. Available in stylish blue and gray, it's the must-have gadget that brings comfort and convenience back to your cooking routine. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Add style and convenience to your kitchen with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This sleek automatic grinder set comes in a pack of 2, perfect for salt, pepper, or any spice you love. Simply flip it upside down, and it automatically grinds. No buttons, no effort. The adjustable coarseness lets you choose how fine or coarse you want your seasoning, while the built-in LED light ensures perfect control, even during evening dinners or BBQs. Powered by batteries, these grinders combine power with precision, giving your meals that fresh, gourmet flavor every time. With their modern black design, they're not just practical, they're a stylish addition to your dining table or kitchen counter. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Convenience and flavor in every twist. Air fryer paper liners. Say goodbye to messy cleanups with Baker's signature air fryer paper liners. These 8-inch square disposable liners are perfectly designed for 5 to 8-quart air fryers, making your cooking experience easier and cleaner than ever. Each pack includes 125 non-stick, oil-proof liners that keep your basket spotless while preserving the flavor of your food. No more scrubbing or sticky residue. Just lift, toss, and you're done. Made from premium, food-grade parchment paper, they can handle high heat and keep your meals crispy and healthy. Ideal for frying, baking, roasting, or reheating. These liners save time, reduce oil, and make cleanup effortless. Upgrade your air fryer game with Baker's signature air fryer paper liners, because cooking should be simple, clean, and delicious. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.